What do you see when you look at this piece of paper? The most obvious answer is, well, I see a blue dot. But is there something else to see? What about all the white space around the blue dot? See, this simple exercise is to answer the simple question, what do you focus on? What do you focus on in your day, in your day-to-day moment? Where do you give your attention? Where do you give your energy? This power that we have as human beings to focus our attention consciously or unconsciously toward what we want or what we don't want is our superpower. Because when we focus on that one thing, or that thing that we desire or that we don't desire, we become almost blind to everything else. And so when you focus on what's not working, when you focus on your problem, the lack, the adversity, the things that are not working, and all those challenges that you may have right now, you're not focusing on everything else, the possibilities, the opportunity, what you want. And so you're giving your energy in the wrong place. Because where we give our attention is where we give our energy, and that expand. And that's why on social media and YouTube and all of that, there's a lot of noise around the power of gratitude. And more companies are inviting their employees to practice gratitude. Why? Because it boosts the mood, the health, the productivity, and the happiness in people's life. But what does that mean? Well, it means that we're focusing on things that we have, on things that we can appreciate, on things that we can feel already grateful in our life. And as we condition our mind to focus on those things and really feel the appreciation, we're giving our energy toward, things I have, the appreciation and the things that are working for me, and we're expanding that. And all of a sudden our brain, our mind goes into finding more things that we can appreciate, more things that we enjoy. And the perspective of our life right now over time changes from I don't have enough, this is fucked up, this is not working, toward appreciating your environment and your life. And not only that, but because you appreciate more things, you find more things to appreciate, and you create more things to match your new energy. And all of a sudden your life starts to change, simply because you've conditioned yourself to discipline of mind to focus on something else. Because today it's so easy to open your smartphone and get drowned into information. Focus on me, hey, look at me, and everybody wants your attention. Please like, please share, please comment. Every company's advertising is bombarding us with attention. They try to get our attention. They try to get us to look at the blue dot that they represent. And we get, lost in that sea of information, and we keep on focusing on the wrong thing. And that's why having that discipline of mind to focus on what we want can be the most powerful thing you do in your life. Because if you keep focusing on the lack, that there's not enough in opportunities, and the scarcity and the poverty and all of that, and at the same time you try to build a rich, abundant lifestyle, how are you ever going to get there? But instead, if you make a conscious effort to focus on already how much you have, how much you've made, and that there is so much more coming, and you shift your attention and your energy, all of a sudden your mind goes to work to help you find opportunity to live that richer and more abundant and prosperous life. So the most important question you can ask yourself every day and many times during the day is, what am I focusing on? What do I need to focus on right now in my life, today, to make the things that I want happen? If you go in your relationship and you're not focusing on your relationship, but you're focusing on your work or things like that, how is that working? How does your partner feel? What's the quality of your relationship like? So you already know the power that there is beyond focusing on what you want. But there's also tremendous power in focusing on what you don't want. Because we are always in a process of creating. We're always in a process of giving our energy somewhere. And the problem is that we give our energy, our focus, too cheaply and way too fast on meaningless things that don't bring more of joy or happiness or prosperity or abundance or health in your life. So have a look in your life. Where are you focusing? What are you focusing on? And create a discipline in your life to focus on what you want, to expand your mind, to condition your mind to focus on what you want. And you'll be amazed by what could happen in your life if you just do that simple thing. And gratitude is maybe one of the most and simplest way to train and discipline your mind to focus on amazing things. If you like this video, please like and comment, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Be well and focus on what you want.